Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be chatting with my sister named Cuteness. So you see how I'm on her user? I'm friends with her, so let's start chatting. Oof. Oh, oh. Okay, fine. Oof. Wait. Too late. Whoops. Wait, how do you say oof? Oh. Ready, set, F. Oh, that's how you spell oof. That does not look like a wink face, Cuteness. I like playing fart attack, do you? Okay, what's this? Triple kill. Unstinkable. Okay, let's just chat now. Our thing how to dance is like slash E dance, right? We might end it right here, right? But we could do one more chat. So my favorite thing to do is, wait, my favorite food to eat, I think would be frozen pizza. Wait, whoops, the A. And I like calzone. Bye, guys.